Rachel, sorry about that still. But your mother clearly not like me. She clearly feels say me as some little low life, downtown, road boy I am. Me know that I mean I really feel comfortable to be judged them type of way. So here we go on. With all due respect, now go deep.
Brandon, hold on. Please don't go.
Rachel, me a good man. I say a old man. Me I just have to go to whole reasoning about this later. But right now, me not feel welcome and me no want overstay. And welcome that me not even did have in the first place. So me I got just slide, man. Them say where bones are not provided, dogs are not invited. So right now, you lift up. Father, bless up yourself, you know. Is it? Anyway, Rachel, later.
Mom, what was that all about? You literally just embarrassed my boyfriend for no reason. Dad, I'm so sad. I don't think he's ever going to talk to me again.
Well, that may be the best thing that ever happened to you.
Woman, why did you have to be so harsh on the young man? And why are you being so insensitive to our child? Come on, Rachel. Woman, you don't have to be like that. Remember, I had to go through the very same thing with your uptown parents because I was not originally from up here. I had to work my ass off and fought my way up to be accepted by your kind. So stop being like that. Do not treat our daughter like that ever again, and do not treat any of her visitors in that manner. That was rude and unacceptable.
Girl, I'm going to leave. Going to Halfway Tree to get something from the store.
I'm sorry, Rachel. Don't worry your pretty little head. Everything will work out just fine. The young man is not mad at you at all. He adores you. He's just mad at how he was treated by your insensitive mother. You know how your mother can be very harsh and cruel to people at times. I don't know why she can be like that for such a sweet soul. I really just don't get it.
It's okay, Dad. And thanks for standing up for me and Brandon. Mom is just...
Yo, Jano Star, you know, I can't believe you're sorry Rachel mother deal with me, Star. Church of God. And what me do this lady and make she deal with me so rough. Jano Star, you know what, me Star? And do man and say, yo, she feels that Rachel did have to bring her university graduate in a shirt and tie. Then what that have to do with anything at all? So because me not come in a shirt and tie, that me and nobody pick me. Yo, Channel Star, the woman, lily up my thing on little way, Star. Now me understand what the late great Bob Marley did have to go through when him come all uptown for come meet us in the Breakspear appearance. Channel Star, that thing here really lick me chip on like a way, Star. Me shame like a dad. But the father did want me still, but me never know say I said the woman would have crab it. The woman deal with the situation and waste her. All of that never cover. But here, jump on one taxi and I was still and go down half a tree and probably go to Burger King or roll one quick meal and something. Good thing somebody did walk with a little piece of change in my pocket to car see there. I never get to sit down and eat no dinner. Good thing some walk with that thing car hungry would have kill me right now. Jaja God.
I really don't know what Rachel was thinking. Inviting that vagabond into our home? That was definitely ludicrous.
Yo, Juvenile, I know some more you come link me on the front right now. Meet for chat to you about something, man. Forward.
Yeah, man, the general, man, Tuggy, man. Where I say, man, I want but Juvi in my boss. Me a forward there. No.
Yo, bad Juve, where I go on? You know, I say a general better than one, we can make that step a little more. But here we go on. I broke right now, you know. Oh, me I make a one flick go up in the half a tree there, see if I can text up my real quick and fast. I don't know the thing set in the street start. My broke on. Right now in the night, I'm going to go sip 2 guineas and bun a big head spray, but me not no money. So me I go touch in the street and see if I can go look it and see it. Anyway, what you say about that? You forward?
We ask them on the bug brother Tuggy. I'm ready if he touch the road with me keeps them load. Right, I know I'm between me and you still in a Tuggy. A piece of hungry they pong between. So yeah man, I'm ready. Ready if you go take a piece of food outside street. Alright, hello. So yo, we have your plan. Ready up in a make a little thought. No!
Now say a old man bad Juvi make a call a cabby right and now I make him drop way up half a tree and go and circle the place until we call him back to come pick up, you see it? Hold on them, I call the caddy. Yo, cabby, where you deal with? You know more I come circle me around pan the ends right, you know my boss. Why you left way up half a tree and go and circle in a place until we call if you pick way up back. You see it? Where you depend? You forward?
Yo, Tuggy, what I go on? So what you say, I go and go carry a guy half a tree and left you, and then when you call me back, I come back, come pick you up. And I know work sting me and carry up on Tuggy, because you know some of depend that with the name. Make sure say I don't know work sting and you know, and a strap in and carry and I know. Because I'm not depend no beat up thing with you in a Tuggy. You see it?
No man, cabby man, how you say man? Me I roll clean man, you don't know some man no call you when time we I roll dirty man. How you say man? I mean I wanna like a juvenile I go up half a chili deal that thing real quick and come back down upon the ends. You see it? You don't have to worry your head man. No farmer strap man. No farmer like a chicky in the dealings now go on yesterday. You see it? You're good man. Forward come give me that link.
Alright, sir. Anything you say, me hear you. Anyway, me a forward.
Yo, juvenile, make sure so you tuck in your strap well neat in a common neighbor one. The boy cabby knows says that works in my car weapon. That's it. So just make sure so you tuck in neat.
Yo, Tuggy, what go on? See me here now, you and the juvenile forward, not me dropping up half a tree there real quick. Cause yo, we get a charter for go a papine and so all of that just work out well. Forward, Tuggy, forward.
Yo, bad Juvi, forward, they go in pan the side. See them when I back there and the driver, you see it?
Sit down behind me, fool. That what kind of style is Tuggy? I wanna try to pull off a robbery. Yo, Tuggy, no bother with them Skyline and idea again.
Nah man, cabby man, what kind of robbery business that you talk about? You ever see me I rob some like a 9 to 5 people, yet I rob the people them out of my place? The mad cabby man, no deal with the things so man, right? And now come like you want water down my thing a certain type of way. Go easy man, cabby man, when I rob them like a poor people, you see it?
Alright, so I'm glad to hear that, cause I'm really too deep on the foolishness with no man right now still, you know. For my little hustlings, this I'm not deep on the foolishness with no man. Well, I will come from the same place, so my name is foolishness, so hear that. So juvenile, allow your mother know so you don't yourself power with Tuggy.
Yo, cabby, you know, see some man a big man now, man. Man, I do them one thing in a cabby, man. Now, you are talking about, man, cabby, man thing. Tough up in the street right now. You see it? Mother now have nothing to do with my lifestyle right now, man. Can I see some man a big one?
Yeah, my sister, you're a big man, yes. Little cheers to that big man, too. Now, if you say nothing more than that, then away, less up on yourself. If you can't be good, be careful.
I see a old man cabby man, everything this man just left me up at transport center this and just look out for a call in another hour or someone like I just circle the place, make a one link and shout and you just come pick you up back, is it? Alright, cabby, see transport center forward up, you know, just let we off right here, someone. We walk go around this park here, go. And as we say, when time we done do what we are do for you general, just give you back a link and you just come pick you up back. Would I make you come pick you up around a gas station one on the front of the pavilion, they say, is it?
Alright, sir. So Tuggy. Pay me no man. We'll just come out of car ram and say nothing about my money, so. Pay me, man.
When you come back, come pick you up and drop you off, man, to give you a piece of food, man. I say, old man, when I style the thing, man, cabby, man. Come on, man. Or you make a thing look some general.
Them thing I can't take with them, man, you know, them, man, I love call a phone for drop a year, dear, everywhere, and the man, they happy. Boy. More time, Mr. Star. Just 2 man living in a garrison with them all hooligan and more time that never take certain things, you know. But one day, God ever bless me. Now I go win the lotto and I go move uptown. I'm never me tell you say, yo, not even that number you never keep. Now cut off a whole of them the people, man. Then people, real old down Dundee.
Pinky, while I go on, how are you the girl? You the run your yard girl?
Yes, me dear. Me there run a me yard, yes. How I go on? You good?
You know more you want come run a me yard, come give me a link to do a Pinky. Come give me a link right on our girl. I have Wally fit talk to you about girl.
Me dear. Alright. Me I walk come round there right now. Wagwan Baradam. You're good. You look nice and clean they do. Wagwan.
We are deal with the Pinky. You know, some day I pray you too. You look thick too, you know, girl. You are good. You know more you start come give me a link round on the ends the more time. Long time if you have you still, you know. You don't know anything set. General settings. Why you start come give me a link, you see it?
Go on, ya. You must be bright. And me I want Ashley come beat up for you. No, sir. About I come mix me in a food no bangarang none at all. Me? No, sir.
Ashley, where you talk about Pinky? How Ashley name even drop in at this?
Then better than, you know say everybody in our class knows say you and Ashley are link. From Brandon even the foreign everybody knows say you and Naked. So we are talk about stop going like it's a surprise, man.
Think you easy girl Pinky. Every girl in our place some my girl, man. But me I make you know say I me if you are bedding over and I pull pan the pink wig there. Yeah, man. So make sure say you come give me a link one of them night here in a Pinky. You hear that?
You try go on and leave me alone, cause me no want your girl and me if you have nothing over you. So leave me alone, better than. Go on here.
Pinky, here we go on my girl. You know some me have one little link uptown. The same little linky they where did send me the money when time I go uptown go KFC. Yeah, that same little linky there. You know say want me come give him a check later. Now I go get a little thing and King she a little thing out tight too, you know. But here we go on now. Any or better than see you ask you for me. Why you tell better than say and me and you gone uptown. Oh, my son, that more you do for me, na Pinky?
Yeah, girl. Then that not easy something for me do. Anytime you come back, make sure say you have my little piece of food in a car. You don't know no one piece of KFC in the evening, yeah. So anytime you come back, make sure say you bring my little piece of chupins come give me.
Yeah, girl. You know say me got your back, Pinky. You know say me got you. No say a word.
Then, girl, them I really this alone you call me how the way come over for your yab to tell me. Then, girl, I couldn't just tell me that over everyone. Ashley, may I come go back at my yard, yeah? Can I sit and fiddle?
Alright, Pinky, anytime I come in back from half of the ends, me just call you and you come over for your little piece of chupin to go buy your KFC.
Yeah, girl, but me I want go back over here now, so later. This seemed to be the perfect opportunity to get back at the girl Ashley. She must feel some me forget Oh, she run gone left na when time Brandon gal box me down in I store. Me no forgetting. Watch me an hour.
Yo, Ashley, what go on? You know, see a long time I never come circle upon the ends and come give me a decent like a sort out though. Where you dip on in our night? Need for sale, you need for floating upon the ends, is it?
Then the younger time you remember fi call my phone better than I went and you answer in front. Shh. All you really take me for one piece of papi showing.
Hey girl, who you chat to so you feel like say me and your size? Me always tell you, you know, like a big idiot girl, Ashley. Me know why you feel like say you want come size up with bad man thing. Me say for floating pan the ends later. And that me mean. Make sure so when time me call the phone later, you answer.
I be a style you always want come style me in a better than. And I them thing I mean to like with you night right now. Because you are my body. And I'm me still about to forget my body. Then what can go so? What kind of style that you have better than? You may even have like a romantic, nothing at all about you.
Romantic for you, girl Ashley. Romantic for you. Come like you need to go up on the comedy bus, my girl. Cause I have a joke you make. Man a romantic to muckers, man. Man just deal with muckers like how man deal with muckers. And guess why muckers? Me know and me. So anyway, link me later. You hear that?
Me I go up on the road with Pinky a little more. So when time I come back, me call you. Alright? Hit her.
Just do what you want to do, man. Just make sure so when time I call you, you answer.
Alright.
I bought Brandon that me see over there, so. Look like him just a come out to Burger King. I wonder where him a do up at them place.
Coming like a bad look at crosses. Boy, Tuggy, I'm juvenile. A boy, bad Juvi that. Away man Tuggy, I go on with up in them place. You know anytime you see them boy up in half a tree, you know them up to no good in it. I can't bet me last dollar say I marry them I come out and look for rob. Cha-cha card.
Yo, Brandon, everything good?
Yeah man, everything good man. I know says a cab me I go jump on and reach back down on the ends of the door. You're good though.
Yeah man, my go through man and me and the juvenile come up in our trees and see if we can get some gears for a little more. You see it? Want to go make a step in our trade a little more. So I don't know the things that as I get to youth we have to clean or do it.
But know the straps, yes, I know the straps man. So just go and do the things till a little more.
Heart here. Yeah man, little bit. Yo, juvenile, so an uptown looking type of woman there in the car that look fat and crisp. Bossy and bagging her around. Perfect target that, and when I see her with no man, you know, see nobody too surround her in a way. We never see nobody else in her car, so yeah man, perfect target that. So here what you go do now, juvenile. I go stand off and intimidate her. Hold on pan my waist with the matic in my waist and thing, and you just hold the bag. Take the bag off her and anyhow she put up no resistance. Cut it too loud as box. Like she knows it's a serious thing. And I just stand up right in front of her car right off there, so I have my hand on my hip so she can see say yo, I'm well strapped down a certain way. So just make her come in and come do quick and fast and take her back over. You see it?
Yeah, man, bad boy, man, I ask man. I easy one tree that man, and as he said, that woman, they are bottle blanket.
Yo, mama, look by my waist. Well strapped down, so here what I gotta do. Today, juvenile purse. The body not have to lose them 3 pints in a day. I just cooperate, so we not have to bother with the slack creation. That's it. So just hand over a purse to the bad juvenile. And the jewelry where you have on around the neck, take off that and give juvenile. And the phone where you have left in that car, go for that and come give it. We will take out the chip and give back that man, because we don't need that, we just need the phone. What phone they ever look to, that phone they look both, so when I look like I am a 3 camera, that mean I go to one iPhone enough. So yeah, what? Push out everything, mama.
Please.
Please don't hurt me. Just take the purse. Take the money, take the phone. Just take it all. Just please don't hurt me.
Here what you go do you now for them woman. Love how you cooperate. Here what you go do. We are going to walk off and you go back in the car. And hey girl, make sure say you're not make no noise over the night then. Cause if you hear a squeal from you, I go full up your car front a beer shot, lick off your head back clean. You hear me girl? You hear what I say? Just go back in the car and make you just walk away. And you just pretend like none of this never happened.
Yes. Yes, I hear you. Just please. Please don't hurt me. Just take me, go. Help. Help. Somebody help me. Those two thugs just robbed me while alone these. Help.
But wait, why the voice to sound like Rachel mother voice? I could have really share about loud feel? Hold on, let me go check just to be sure. My relative, a Rachel mother, yes. Chano star. Jaja God. I could have walked on me run or go over there to go see where I go on with that woman. Jaja God. I could have really go on with Rachel mother do a lab. Mums, what go on the mums? I want them to you. Talk to me the mums. Talk to me the mums. Talk to me the mums. I want them to you. What happened to you? Calm down. Talk to me. What happened to you? And me, man, Brandon, Rachel boyfriend. What happened to you?
Brandon, those vagabonds just robbed me of my belongings. They just ran past the same way you came from. Did you see them?
You mean the two boys them just run past and one of them in a one black hoodie?
Yes, Brandon. Those same old vagabonds. And they're the ones that robbed me.
And most the boy Tuggy and the bad Juvi. Mums, here we go. Give me a minute there. I'm going to make a quick phone call. I soon come. Don't move from me, sir. Just call the police. Tell them I go on and tell them come. But don't move from me, so I soon come. I'm going to see if I can make a one call and see if I can get back at him.
Seems someone called the cops already.
All right, mommy. Talk to them when time them come. I soon forward. Don't leave us. Yo, Tuggy, what go on? A Brandon. Here we go. You said a woman the thing where you just take a while ago. Me, I want it back. I'm a girl from uptown, mother thing that in my boss. So right now that can't work. And she see everything. She see you, she see everything. I be a police around there. So here we go and me I come link you. And you give me back the woman thing so me can make sure get it back. You see?
Yo, Brandon, what kind of argument that you come per man phone with you? What kind of argument that you come per man phone with? You me there on my way, I go back down in the city now you. So me don't know where you talk about you know.
Anything you say man, Tuggy, man. I say a word, man. I come back down in the city right and I come link you too. So just have everything sorted out and ready. Because me I come link you now.
Come link you. I want him to that little youth man. Yo, Brandon, come out from my phone.
Yo, Rachel, I know so them just rob a mother half a tree door. But make sure you know say everything good, man. Me have a good idea which set a man take our things. Me go jump on a taxi and go deal with it and call it back and come link you, is it?
What? Really? They robbed my mom? Brandon, is she okay?
Yeah, man, she good, man. Me left her over Tropical Plaza. They say I talk to police them. Just call her, reassure her, make sure you know say you may have a very good idea who take her things. So I me I go deal with it right now. Rachel, I'm soon link you.
Okay, Brandon, but please, be careful.
Yo, Tuggy, no disrespecting to your things a little bit general, but here we go, and you see that purse that we grab uptown, and my girl from uptown, mother thing is it. So here we go on, my G. Just take the money and run back the purse with our personal belongings, then make me carry it back again, is it?
We really just said to me, Brandon, take the wa and give you back the wa. Then you know say a boss to a birch and bag this. I can sell this in a treat, man, and get back a thing, man. Now, you talk about you, give you back what? You must be mad.
Yeah, Tuggy, remember say you owe me, you know. Remember say me make it up on the street right and now I'm a lockdown round a jail back there, you know. Remember that, you know, You owe me big time. So just run back the bag, dog, and make you just quit so things. Remember, you owe me. And me make you enjoy like a freedom right now. Just remember that.
Well, they're kinda right to the part right there still, cause you did go chat to the police them and make a bus off the case and come back a road the zip. Alright, now see how old man. I gotta make a link right and now I make a get back the bag man. Now see how old.
My G. Love and respect same way, man. Appreciate it, you know? Yo, Cabby, we are deal with them in general. I know some want to reach back up town. They are the same place where you did drop me off earlier. You have a little thing for the drop off up there. Drop me back up there, please.
So, Brandon, let me ask you one little question there real quick. What you do with the handbag?
Yo, Cabby, if me tell you how me come by this handbag, you would have never believe me. But here, it's a very long story, so just make it rest. Drop me off up there today, my boss. Why the moment of truth is here, I wonder if me can redeem myself in the evening with this handbag business, yeah. Channel star. Got deal with the parents them again, well at least the mother. Charge God, but I forgot check on her still and make sure it's alright.
I know say something alright about the boy Brandon, you know. I just know. From me drop him off up at big house in the first place to him, I wonder how old Brandon get all them uptown link, and I wonder if I some sort of body business, you know. And see, you know, me drop him off with a handbag, and him a tell me say I wouldn't believe it. And damn right, say I wouldn't believe it. Can't believe say get a youth, sell out star. Body business good, Brandon come uptown and get himself, you know.
Is that my handbag in your hand, Brandon? Oh. So you planned it with those hoodlums to rob me.
Mommy, no.